So I'm back here on our social media post for this boba graphic. I'm actually just going to swap out that paid boba graphic for this cute little one because I want everything to be free so you can see what you actually can do for free on Canva. Now what I can do is I can animate this. So if I select any element, I can click animate, and I could choose for this specific one how to animate it in. Or I can go to page animations and I can actually apply an animation to this entire page. So if I want to add this party one, we can apply it to all pages, or now it's just applied to this page. And we're going to animate both on the entrance and on the exit. Now up here for this page, if I select it, we have this timing option, and we can make it shorter or longer. And then what's cool is that there are actually stickers that are animated. So if we go to our elements, we can see our stickers. Maybe we have like these arrows, or let's just actually search for yum sticker. Go to graphics and see if any of these are animated. So the sun's kind of cool. Oh, I like these little sort of sparkles. I'm just going to put these behind our recipe. Maybe add some down here as well. And now what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of motion to these other elements. So I'm going to select our boba here. I'm going to choose animate. And then down below, because we already have that sort of entrance animation that was applied, down below I'm going to choose wiggle. And it has like a default wiggle. If you want to adjust the intensity, it has to be a pro feature. And I'm going to add that as well to our little kitty down here. So now I want to preview what this is going to look like. To do that, we have to click this little Show Pages button and then choose Duration. So it's kind of thinking that we're making a video with all of these slides, but really we're just working on this one right here. And don't worry, we could save this one separately, which we'll be seeing how to save in the next lesson. But now I can play through this one slide and see the whole thing. If we want to adjust the timing again, like we kind of saw before, we can adjust it, make it a little bit shorter. And now we can play and see what this little graphic's going to look like. And that's how you start to create animations in Canva. I know that this can start to feel a little complicated, but really all you need to know is that within an existing design, if you haven't animated anything yet, all you have to do is select an element and then click animate. And then you can either animate for that one element or switch over to page animations, and you can add an animation to the entire page. And again, down here, if we select on duration, we can preview this one easily by itself. Now you see this little play button up here. Now this is thinking we're combining all of these slides into one video, but because we don't have animations for these first two designs, we're not going to see that. But now we see the animations we've applied to this pizza time graphic as well as to our boba graphic. So typically you might be working on one project individually, but here in this course, I'm adding all of these different slides to this one graphic. It might make more sense to stay organized to delete the ones that you're not working on. So now we can actually just preview this one up here as well. All right, we'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to learn how to share everything with the world, download it, post to social media, all of that good stuff coming up next.